Triangle. Trigonometry identities. A, B, C. Here this is angle means this is a theta means this is 90 degree. What is this?
Base.
This is
Opposite.
This is
Hypotenuse.
Okay. This is the rectangle triangle. We derive. We write that all names. From this, by Pythagoras theorem, what is Pythagoras theorem here? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. BC square. Now, don't write. Just listen. Now, what do you do? Divide all terms by AC. Divide all terms by AC square. AC square. Divide. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಂ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಂ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ AC ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ AC ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. both side. So AC by AC whole square is equal to AB by AC whole square plus BC by AC whole square. AC square cancel. Here what left? 1 square. AB by AC. Which trigonometric function formula that is? AB by AC. AB by AC. What is this AB by AC? Opposite by hypotenuse. Which trigonometric function formula? Sin theta. AB by opposite by hypotenuse. Sin theta, right? Sin theta. Here square is there square. Plus BC by AC means base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse means
Cos theta.
Cos theta. Cos theta whole square. So this one you can write this side and this one this side. Nothing will happen. Same meaning only. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is first formula. What is the first formula? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From this we can derive what is sin square theta? Sin square theta only. This side 1 as it is. You send this plus this side. What it become? Minus. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. This one also possible. Now cos square theta is equal to what? 1 minus sin square theta. Write that first. Now we know Pythagoras theorem same. Up to here Pythagoras theorem. This one I will erase. Now what you do? Here both terms divided by AB. Divided by AB both sides. What it become? We'll see. AC by divide both sides. DS means what? Both sides by AB square. Now AC by AB whole square. AB by AB one is same. All terms divided by AB square plus BC by AB. Now from this rectangle triangle, what is AC by AB? AC means what? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse by
B.
AB. Hypotenuse by AB ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Hypotenuse by AB ಅಂದ್ರೆ hypotenuse by
Opposite.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. secant theta, right? ಇದೇನಿದು opposite by hypotenuse ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos theta. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಐತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಿದು
Secant theta.
So here secant theta whole square. AB by AB. 1 za. So 1 plus BC by AB. BC by AB ಅಂದ್ರೆ BC by AB ಅಂದ್ರೆ BC ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸ್ ಬೈ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಬೇಸ್ ಬೈ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು?
cos
ಬೇಸ್ ಬೈ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್
tan theta
tan ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್. tan ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಏನು? cot theta, right?
first grade girls sir.
So cot theta. Sorry. Correct one. BC by AB. BC means what here? BC means base. Base by opposite. Opposite by hypotenuse ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? sin theta. sin theta, right? sin theta. sin theta ಇದು opposite ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? hypotenuse by opposite means what? Sin is reciprocal ಏನು? cosecant theta. cosecant theta. So what will happen? It is cosecant theta. cosecant theta whole square. This one 1. BC by AB. BC by AB. Base by opposite. ಏನದು? cot square. cot theta whole square. So one more formula. What is the one more formula? So write this one on this side. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Is equal to cosecant square theta. So from this 1 plus cot square theta is equal to what? Cosecant square theta. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು? 1 is equal to cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. This one also correct. This one also correct. Write down. Triangle and triangle and Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now what you do? Divide both sides by BC. Divide both sides by BC square. Now what happened? AC by BC whole square. AB by BC whole square plus BC by BC whole square. Now AC by BC means what? AC by BC. AC by BC. AC by BC means
opposite by base.
hypotenuse by base. What is this? What is this? Base by hypotenuse means cos theta. Cos theta reverse secant theta, right? Now this one secant theta whole square is equal to AB by BC. AB means what here? AB means opposite. BC means base. Opposite by base what? Opposite by base. Opposite by base tan theta. This one BC get cancel 1. This is what? Tan. So one more formula ready here. One more formula ready here. What is that? Secant square is equal to secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. Or secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Or tan square theta is equal to what? Tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. Express the ratio cos A, tan A, secant A in terms of sin A. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. sin A ದಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. cos A. What is the relation between first one? Cos A. What is the relation between sin cos and sin? Just now discuss now first formula. What is that first formula? Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to what? 1. Now we want cos in terms of sin. So formula line irಬೇಕು cos ಇಂದು sin ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. So ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಕಳಿಸಿ. cos square a is equal to what? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮೈನಸ್ sin square a. cos square a. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ನ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? square root of 1 minus sin square a. What is this? Cos a in terms of sin. Now tan a in terms of sin. Now what is the relation between tan and sin? So tan a is equal to tan square secant square a is equal to or secant square is equal to 1 plus tan square a. By secant cos square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. cos square a ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು? sin ಒಳಗೆ 1 minus sin square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. plus 1 निकल कर ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು? 1 by 1 minus sin square a minus 1 is equal to tan square a. 1 by 1 minus sin square a ಇಲ್ಲಿ LCM ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ? 1 minus sin square a 1 minus sin square a ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇಂಟು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ minus 1 minus sin square a is equal to tan square a. 1 minus 1 minus into minus plus sin square a divided by 1 minus sin square a. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So tan square a is equal to what left? Sin square a divided by 1 minus sin square a. 1 minus sin square a. So what do you want? You want tan, no? Say that square root. Tan a is equal to sin square a divided by 1 minus sin square a. Still ready to square root का सुनो वाला लास्ट टाइप करने ठीक है. In terms of sin a, see here we have one formula sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. What I want secant theta. So here from this, what is the reciprocal of this cos? Secant theta, right?
Secant theta.
Sin square a plus 1 by secant square a is equal to 1. I will send this one this side. 1 by secant square a 1 by
Secant
square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a.
sin square a.
What secant square, right?
Sir.
So if I send this one square that side, 1 by secant a is equal to what? Square root of 1 minus sin square a. Now take reverse. Take reciprocal of this. It will become secant a. What it become? It become 1 by square root of 1 minus sin square. This step understood here. This step understood. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು ಈ sin square ನಾಗ ಕಳಿಸಿದೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಸ್ ಇದೈತೆ ಒಂದು ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಐತೆ 1 by secant square ಐತೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆಗೆ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಇದು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇದು ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂತು ಇದು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇದು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಏನೈತೆ 1 ಐತೆ. ಇದು ಕೆಳಗೆ 1 ಇದು ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂತು ಇದು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ what is this secant a is equal to 1 by 1 minus sin square, right? Take down.
Yes, sir.
Last final.
This is MCQ questions. Options 0, option 9, C, 8, D, 10. Try by identities. Which identity satisfies? ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಏನು ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಓಕೆ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿ 9 secant square a minus 9
Tan square A.
Take 9 common. 9 secant square a minus tan square a. 1 plus tan square a is equal to what? Secant square a. 1 plus tan square a is equal to what? Secant square. So 1 is equal to send this one this side. Secant square a minus tan square a. So secant square a minus tan square a is equal to what? 1. So 9 into 1. So 9 ones are 9. Option B is correct. One more MCQ is solved. Take down this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1 plus tan square is equal to what? Secant square a. 1 plus cos square is equal to what? Cosecant square a. So secant square reciprocal 1 by cos square a. Cosecant square reciprocal 1 by sin square a. So ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು a by b whole divided by c by d. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತಾ a by b
D by C.
d by c. So ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ 1 by cos square a as it is. 1 by cos square a as it is. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತಾ sin square a by 1. So ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು 1 into sin square a 1 into cos square a sin square by cos square sin by cos tan square formula ಇದು tan is equal to what? sin a by cos a. So which option is correct? Option D is correct.
Tan square A.